In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split and reconcile part payments using Xero. If you've ever struggled with managing part payments or reconciling transactions with ease, stick around. We'll dive into each step, ensuring you feel confident and equipped to handle these within your accounts. To begin, let's head over to the Reconcile screen. From the Xero dashboard, this is your central hub for managing bank transactions. Navigating to this screen is your first step in efficiently managing part payments. At a glance, you'll see a list of transactions waiting to be processed, setting you up to tackle your task methodically. Next, we want to find the specific transaction or part payment on your bank statement that needs splitting. This part can seem a tad overwhelming, especially if you have a large volume of transactions. But here's a tip. Use the date and transaction amount to quickly pinpoint the exact entry you're dealing with. Once you've located the transaction, it's time to connect it to the corresponding invoice. Go to the Find and Match tab. This is where Xero really shines, providing a seamless way to search for your customer's invoice. Think of it as pairing a sock. It's all about finding the perfect match to ensure accuracy. Type in the customer's details or invoice number, and watch as Xero populates your options. Having matched the invoice, you'll notice a blue split button prominently displayed in the middle of your screen. Clicking on this is crucial. It brings you into the stage where you can allocate the exact part payment amount. This step is particularly handy when a customer has only paid part of the invoice, and you want it to keep track of what's been settled and what remains. This leads us to allocating the payment itself. Xero is designed to make life easier by automatically populating the amount that has been paid. But life isn't always straightforward. Sometimes you might need to edit this figure. Maybe there's been an additional small payment, or the amount needs to be adjusted slightly. Either way, you have the flexibility to tailor it precisely to your records. After confirming everything looks good, you'll want to finalize this process by clicking on Reconcile. Doing so matches the transaction to the invoice while keeping clear records of the outstanding balance. Xero will smartly indicate the remaining balance as still due, helping you stay organized and making follow-ups easier. And there you have it, a simple, clear process for splitting and reconciling part payments in Xero. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these steps, you can ensure that your financial records are always spot on and up to date. Thanks for joining me, and happy reconciling.